Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize 3y squared minus 5y plus 2. I am going to use what I call the cross chart to help me. Do take note how I position the terms in this expression. Alright, so you will see me writing 3y squared and positive 2 at this part of the cross chart, and my negative 5y at the other side of the cross chart. And our job now is just to make sure that the factors of 3y squared, we are able to write it out. Yep, there's only 3y times y, that will give me 3y squared. And there also is only 1 times 2. But at this note, we do need to make sure that we get a negative 5. So if you see what Mr. Tan is thinking, we have to make it such that there is a negative 5y and yet we have a positive 2. Let's try this. 2 and 1. Because this will give me my 3y. And this will give me my 2y. And when I add them up, yep, they give me 5. Then at this point, right, we do have to consider the negative. So, can I do this? Is it possible? If I have negative 2 plus negative 3, yep, that will give me negative 5. And therefore, this has to be negative and this has to be negative. And it works as well. Negative 2 times negative 1 does give me back my positive 2. And so I will be able to get my final answer here. So the final answer here would be then 3y minus 2 y minus 1. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.